Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And Dave the Dragon is with us today, and he's going to help us look at this. For the next 14 weeks, we're going to look at the 2008 ImagineFX magazines, starting with this one, which is issue number 26 for January 2008. So let's go and have a look at these. So what I do on these is, I'll just go through the magazines for the first time and have a look at them. That looks cool. So I'll do one of these each week. And they also came with DVDs. So this one here has got the DVD in the back. You can actually feel it inside the cover, inside the issue. But during this year, 2008, which was 15 years ago now, but what they did was they started introducing these little cardboard sleeves. I won't go into the DVDs on these videos, but I do miss the DVDs. So there's something kind of cool about having a collection of these DVDs. But I just wanted to show that they were doing, this is the year when they first introduced the cardboard sleeves for the DVDs. So for this one, we're going to be looking at this one here, which is January 2008. Now that there is the back cover. So I love the back cover. Dave's going to turn it over for us. And this is the front cover. Oh look, we've got a, well, sort of a dragon. What would you call that? It's like a demon. That's a cool one, that is. And we've got that slippery text at the top there, which I love it when they do that. What do I like best about the... Which do I like best? I like both of these. I think I like that one a little bit better, because these little circles here, they look like almost look like it reminds me of like the chakras or something. But this is a very fantasy inspired covers. It says how to paint magic cards. That'll be cool. So let's get into this one. Dun dun dun. Remember, this is 15 years ago as well. I can't believe it. Ah, the back cover is the main cover. Yeah, not that one there was the subscriber cover. Oh, I like the way they've done that. I like that they put the both the covers on the thing. Look at him, look. That's our editor Rob. He was a funny fellow, he was. What he did was, he used to, every issue, he would put his Photoshop his face or something. So this is what's inside this one. It's very strange going back to these old issues, because some of the stuff is timeless, and in fact some of the stuff gets even better with age, but some of the stuff, it doesn't really age very well. And also I've noticed that a lot of the old ones had a lot of adverts in them, which isn't nice. So this is the FXPosé section. I'm loving that one. What I have noticed is the FXPosé section seems to have really evolved. Hey look, we've got Captain America there, look. So I think what they used to do in the old days was they had like a reader's FXPosé section and like an official professional FXPosé. And I think what they've done now is they've sort of, well, I don't know, I feel like they might have combined it something. That's a nice one. This is probably one of my favourite sections because you get to meet new artists, you get beautiful artwork, and I think it's fun. And I like the fact you see their little faces as well. Look at him, look. That's quite cool, that one. Look, even the website, it feels the screenshot of the website does feel very much like an old website, doesn't it? It's quite funny, really. Do it yourself, look. It's all about self-publishing. This was another thing with these old ones. There was a lot of sort of like news, I suppose. And that's the sort of stuff that doesn't really age very well, but it's also kind of cool. Look, this is the Nintendo DS come out with different colours. So it's kind of cool, but I'm probably glad that they did remove a lot of the stuff. It seems like what they focus on now is more beautiful artwork and articles. Letters. There's a lot more letters back then as well. I used to like that. We had a little... They used to... Well, it isn't in this one, but they used to have this thing with the forum. You had little... All the people in the forum had a little quotes and stuff. I used to like that. That's a nice gift, isn't it? If you subscribe. Artist Q&A. Yeah, I'm probably glad that they removed that as well. I did like this, some of it, but I always found it a little bit chaotic, I suppose. Oh look, the art of Jean-Sébastien Rossbach. I love that one. Beautiful artist, this one, look. There's his vital statistics. 5 minutes with the French genius. Merlin. See, stuff like this is brilliant. Especially if it's about... Hey look, he did the cover. The subscriber cover. Yay! Sketchbook. James Jean. Jean Lacey. There was an F1 driver called Jean Lacey. I love these life drawing sketches. Wonder how long that took to do. Hey look, they're playing a Game Boy, I think. That's quite cool. Art class. Don't know what they've done there, look. Classic image. I've seen that before. Georgiana. Oh look, a little Robin Angel thing. Oh, how beautiful is that? They've created like an angel robin. I love that. And there's a little, some sort of, I don't know if that's a dolly or something. Whoever did this is very... Look, the artist is called Melanie Dillon. I absolutely love that. That's beautiful. Portrait of an artist, Jason Felix. I like the style of that. I like that name as well. It's a cool name, that is. Jason Felix. Sounds like he could be in a film or something. Hey, they remind me of the blokes from Big Trouble in Little China. I wonder if people still wear hats like that. Hello. What's it say? It's a linen elf magic or something. Posters, comics, books and artists' prints are all great formats for fantasy art. Hey look, they're all talking about little cards, about Magic the Gathering cards. Yay! I actually had loads of these. I sort of wish I kept some of them now, really. I always found the art a little bit too small though. You couldn't really see the... Look at that. The Call of Cthulhu. They're cool, aren't they? Magic. I'll tell you what would be quite cool is like a big A4 print of one of these cards. Like the whole card, and you could put it on the wall or something. The workshops with the videos. This is when you used to get videos with the workshops. Oh, I like that. The Abstract Dragon. Dave the Dragon is here to stay. It's Dave the Dragon's friend. That's very much like the colours of the front cover. Like nice sort of rustic feeling and stuff. Look, they've used fishies for inspiration. Yeah, so they've created a beast from their imagination, but based it on real life. That's quite nice, that is. Beautiful covers. That was last year's Ideas Out of Chaos. Look at that, look. What they've obviously done is just thrown a load of shapes down and evolved it into a finished painting. I like the sound of this. How to overcome artist's block by generating ideas out of a chaotic sketch. That's quite cool, that is. Yeah, look how it's evolved. I mean, they must have had an idea of what they were doing, do you not think? I wonder if they actually really did go from nothing to that. Or if they, in their head, before they started, they thought, well, I want 2 characters. Illustrate an epic battle in space. Nice colours on that one. I say I'm not really into my spaceships, but I still like seeing spaceships and stuff. But I couldn't imagine sitting down drawing spaceships. Wouldn't really excite me. Oh, look, this is next month's. What beautiful colours that is. What's this all about then? Secrets of Painting's manga. Cool. So next week we're going to be hopefully looking at manga. I hope that one's in the issue. Macabre card art. What does the word macabre mean? I'm not really sure. Not really liking. Hey, look, someone's ripped the that wasn't me. Somebody ripped the DVD out there, look. Tom was working on the DVD. I wonder if he's still working at ImagineFX. Tom Rutherford. Tom Rudderham. Fancy characters, look. Again, like the colours, not... Hey, I had a dream the other night, like one of these characters. What it was, there was this like 10-foot lady, and she had pure white eyes. She kind of reminds me of this lady here. Hey, look, see, now this bit here, they only recently, I think it was this year, 2023, they actually stopped doing the review section. And again, I'm glad that they did, because they can put more time and pages into sort of artwork. But again, there's something kind of cool about going through the old issues, looking at reviews of old video games and films and things. Look, Naruto the movie. Heroes Season 1. I used to love that. Season 1. What was it? Save the cheerleader, save the world. I think I got to Season 2 or something, and then we stopped watching it, because everyone at work was watching it. But it kind of got a bit boring. I like that there, look. So this is a DVD, is it? Yeah, it's a DVD, look. $55 it was, that DVD. And that's it, we end with Father Christmas. Father Christmas is here to stay. So we got Father Christmas at the end. I like that they put a Magic the Gathering advert in as well. Because, see, that's nice, that is. They've got an advert that actually fits in with the content. Because this was sort of based around Magic the Gathering cards. But look, we ended with Father Christmas. And we started with Father Christmas. Yeah, it's quite cool. So what do I think of this one? I like the cover. I love that cover. I don't think that's going to be my favourite cover of the year, but it is a really cool a really cool, I like this, I just like the feeling of it. It's beautiful it is. And what was my highlight inside the issue? I like this dragon, that was quite cool. And I really like the sketches of these life drawing. I like that as well. That's probably my favourite bit, I think. So that was issue number 26 of the ImagineFX magazine for January 2008. And next week we've got this one. Now, if this is a, well, I was going to say, is it a wraparound cover? Oh, it might be that. I'm not sure. I like the look of it though, from the back there. And we'll have a look at that next week. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you later for another one.